Welcome to Red River's O365 Tips and Tricks. My name is Gabe Giacomo, Content Manager here at Red River. Today, we're going to be taking a look at PowerPoint screen recording.
We're all pretty familiar with PowerPoint as a presentation platform, and Microsoft has upped the ante by including the ability to capture screen video as well. Let's dive right in. Start by opening any presentation and pick a slide to drop the video on. In the top ribbon, go to the Insert tab, and then on the far right, you'll find Screen Recording. Clicking this will hide the PowerPoint and open the recording pane and turn your cursor into a selection crosshair. Drag and box around the area you want to record, or click and drag to the edge of the screen to select the whole screen. If you're not really big on keyboard shortcuts, I'd recommend pinning the recording window. Otherwise, you need to do a Windows Shift Q to end the recording. PowerPoint uses whatever you have set as your system default microphone, so keep that in mind. Hit record on the recording box, and you're off and running. You can use this functionality to help explain issues that you're having, create quick training clips, or quickly present things that would otherwise take a long time to explain. For instance, here's the brand standards. How do you find the brand standards for Red River? Well, from the search bar, simply type in brand, and click on the document on SOPs. And there it is. Now that I've recorded how to do that, I can hit the stop, or I can do Windows key Shift Q, and that will end the recording and paste the video directly into the PowerPoint. If you only want the video, the shortcut way to save it is to right-click on that video and do Save Media As. That'll open a save window. Pick where you want to save it, hit save, and you're all done.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful O365 hints.